We know that some words in English we do not say. We don't say BiRD, we say BiRD, bird. Okay, this is beer and this is beard. That's beard, beer, bird. Okay. We said that some people are nice. What's the opposite? Cruel. Oh, yes, yes, yes. When my sister was young, she told me, "Your friends are losers." She did not want to go to the dance with my friends. And my friends said, "Oh, your sister is cruel." True, but cruel, right? Now, we said loser. What's the opposite?
Winner.
Winner, winner. And we pronounce this lose. And this is loose, loose. My collar is loose and open, loose. Now, what is it?
Tight.
Tight, tight. The collar is tight or loose.